So this is UPL. You can just see that the same thing, the same kind of relation, the correlation, what I don't say correlation, is the same kind of trend that was happening in Dr. Reddy. You have an buy call, it doesn't go up anywhere. You have a sell call, it doesn't go anywhere. It gives you a buy call, again it doesn't go anywhere. This it has gone up because it was on gap up open, and again we sell call, it has not gone anywhere, and buy call, it has not gone anywhere, and then finally it took a trend today at 9:20. It said sell at 625. So at 625 we short it. Now it is at 614. It already made S1 and S2. S1 and S2 are your targets. So considering your current price, so that's roughly around 10-11 rupees on UPL. So that is 11 into 1200 is the lot size. So that's around 13,000 rupees on UPL. So these are how some of the trades are happening. You can see Lupin. It's a clear-cut trade, and I will show you M&M. You can see that M&M, there's a sell call, it's come down. Buy, it has not done much. Again, we have a sell, it has come down. And I'll show you India Bulls. So you can see right from this particular day, that is 16th of October, at a price of 930, it fell down till this point, and then yesterday we had a buy call at the market open, and then it took up, and then it reached its R2 level, and then it gave a sell call. I doubt if this sell call will, because this is a 30-minute chart, so we don't have a sell still. It's taking breath now. So once it is soft, then it can again go back to its 780, 770 levels and 830 levels. There's a possibility that it can go up to this particular two levels. So other than that, we have a Z sell call. I will show you Z sell. So Z, you can see it is a sell call right from past 3 days. It has made its S2. Our entry was 443. Now it is at 434. Say roughly, let's say 10 rupees also. It's around 13,000 rupees. It's around 13,000 rupees profit. So these are some of the trades that we have. And I don't think other than one or two trades or three trades, the rest of the trades are giving you excellent profits. Considering that the market was in gap down open, it went up, and then again it has fallen down. So this is how we trade, irrespective of the market direction. And I have put Infratel, IOC, NTPC, ONGC, Power Grid, Asha Motors in a separate list. That is because we don't trade usually much on this, because we don't have much of volumes. And in case if we get an sure short signal, then only we enter. I'll just explain you how. So that's ONGC. Now I have a trade of ONGC which is continuing from past 2 days. So blindly I can get into it because my long-term trend is still intact from past 4 days. So I can get into it. I'll have some volumes also in that. And let's take Power Grid. Nothing is happening in Power Grid. Usually won't get into Power Grid. But here, today it has given you and sell. I did not enter that. 188 is your entry. Now it is at 185 Power Grid. So roughly around 3 rupees, that is 12,000 rupees profit on Power Grid. Likewise, I have IOC. So that's again a sell call. So still continuing sort of flattish, and we have Eicher Motors. Uh, so it gave a sell call here. Sorry, I think I made a mistake somewhere here. I think it was a buy call here. Okay, anyway, we don't do that. So let's not worry much about that. So Vedanta, we don't have a call yet. Yes Bank, we don't have an entry yet. I will show you Yes Bank. It has been very flat, so we did not enter into Yes Bank, and we did not enter into Vedanta also. So we already have a sell call. I had actually gone out a few minutes back, so otherwise I would have given you this particular call at 211. 211 is the entry, and now it is at 208. It will definitely make an target of 207. So 4 rupees on Vedanta is something like around 7,000 rupees profit. So I had actually gone out for a few minutes. That is the reason why I could not give you that call. But anyway, I'll any fresh calls, I'll definitely post it. And if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. So Coal India again, the problem I told you it has been very flattish. You can see the chart here. It's not moving anywhere. Now 280 was the buy. That was that's the reason why I told you. I mean, I had gone out, so I just gave that figure. It went up by 80 points or something like that. Exit. You can again enter in case if you want, or you can just ignore Coal India until it gives a clear trend. Until it gives a clear trend. Usually, what we do is whenever it is trading on this brown line, near the brown line, we don't enter into the. Okay, we have some calls. Let me just give you. So I have an Vedanta sell call. I was talking about Vedanta. So now we have a call in Vedanta. So Vedanta, I told you it will make 207. It has already made 207. The call what we got was on a longer time duration. That is the 30-minute chart. So if it breaks 206, it will end up at 202. It will end up at 202 Vedanta, and the metal index is down by 1.6%. So there is a possibility, and we are at 2 o'clock now. In another 1.5 hours, anything can happen. And we have a call in ICICI Bank. So there is a confirmation on a 30-minute chart. So this is the call what you have got. That's a confirmation on a 30-minute chart. On a shorter duration, it's already given you profits. 322 is your entry and 319 is your current price. So there is a possibility of a target of another 3 rupees, another 3 rupees here till it comes to its support, because we have very strong support here at S1 and this brown line. So if you want to take chances, you can keep trailing your stop losses. You can keep trailing your stop losses and then wait till it comes to 216. So these are the charts what you are seeing right now. And apart from this, so I'll just take you to the Excel file. So you can compare the prices. You can compare the prices, and I think I have made some. It's again a problem. So the various profits. It's not like earning only 10,000. You can definitely make much more than that if you are trading full time and if you have enough capital with you. So if you have any queries, please type in the chat box. I'll be able to answer you. And this session is being recorded, and in case if I think some people have entered late, so I will post this videos again in the evening so that you can have a look at the prices, I mean the profits and the losses what you have made for the current day, considering it's a really a bad day. When you have a gap down open and then it slightly goes up and you don't know where you are ending up. So that is what has happened today. So if you have any queries, please type in the chat box. I'll be here.